Hi everyone, what's up? It's your fellow Jamaican here again to react to another BEATPELLA host beatboxing. I hope everyone is great and having a fantastic end of month. Okay, and I do hope this year is been very progressive to each and every individual who's watching this video. So to all the BEATPELLA House's supporters who are supporting the BEATPELLA House on my page, it's a pleasure, it's an honor to have you guys here as a supporter who's supporting me, and I appreciate the support so much. Each time I've came across a BEATPELLA House beatboxing, the supports always be in the masses, and I do appreciate the momentum of you guys supporting. So at this point, I'll be now checking out Freaky Monday official video by the BEATPELLA Houses. So with that being said, let's see what's up with this one. That was hardcore. That was a phenomenon. The beat is just dope, bro. I mean, like they are just killing it. You know, I've been observing these beat houses, guys, and I'm telling you, they never seems to have a disappointment in their beatboxing. Whether it's a video, a music video, or just a random beatboxing. But regardless of them being that position, it's refreshing to watch. It's just so very good to watch. And you feel the vibe, you feel connected based off what is being done here. And music like this, beatboxing like this always stands out perfectly because they are in a level by themselves where they are unmatched. They are unstoppable. They are unique in their own style and imagery. They're unique in their own beatboxing. Alright, because these beatboxing I never yet heard before. And they're bringing to the forefront of how superbly great they are. And to be frank with everyone, as a Jamaican, beatboxing is a thing that is prominent overseas. But as a Jamaican speaking here, I do not, or we do not have any Jamaican right now that I knew of, or that is valid enough to do beatboxing. And it would be an honor to see an individual in my country, Jamaica, to partake in beatboxing. I do know that we have people here, but beatboxing is not a thing in my country, and that's the reason why I'm here today, right? To listen, to observe, and to react to different beatboxing out there, because I do love music, and music like this gives me the vibe. It gives me the chills. Alright? So whenever time the Beat Pella houses come to give us a project, the project seems to be very successful. Successfully, they've dominated. They've done well. Alright? So people, thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend, telling him or her about me, this little Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another Beat Pella host reaction.